The word we'll be learning in this section is kaku, which you will often hear when people feel itchy or are talking about doing actions like stirring or playing a string instrument. The word kaku, read as kaku, means to scratch in English. This action involves using your fingers or an object to rub your skin, often to relieve an itch. The first kanji means actions like scratching, scraping, or stirring, and often implies using a hand or tool to move or remove something. In the word kakigori, it gives the sense of shaving or scraping ice into fine pieces. In kakitori, it conveys the idea of scraping something off or taking information down by hand. He scratched his head. 彼は頭をかきました。彼は頭をかきました。He scratches his knee. 彼は膝をかく。彼は膝をかく。Teach the cat how to scratch its back. 猫に背中のかき方を教える。猫に背中のかき方を教える。The most common synonyms of the word kaku are suru and kosuru. Suru, pronounced suru, also means to rub or slide over a surface, but it emphasizes a smoother motion and often refers to rubbing things together to create friction. Kosuru means to rub harder or scratch insistently, focusing more on the harshness of the action. They differ from the original word kaku by the intensity and context of the contact. The most common antonyms of the word kaku are naderu. Naderu refers to gently stroke or softly caress a surface. It is often used when describing gentle, light touches that are soothing or comforting, as opposed to the more vigorous action implied by the word kaku.